Hey guys, it's Talai again, and today we're going to be changing the mod info. And it's been like a minute for me, but it's probably been like a week for you, maybe. I don't know, maybe you're watching these all at once later when I've uploaded all of them. Anyway, so today we're going to be changing the mod info. And that is not in our plan. But it's important, so we're going to add it, and we're going to call it housekeeping, because that's what it is. Oh, I spelled housekeeping wrong. Anyway, to heart is the mod. So housekeeping, we need to tell the mod to load, right? Or tell Minecraft to load the mod. And we're going to do one. And we're going to tell it the name of our mod. And it's going to need to know, anyway, we'll just go look at it and see what it needs to know. How's that? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to not call it MDK example mod. We're going to call it, this is how you should always rename things in Java Eclipse. You need to right click, or if you do not have a right-click mouse, it's control-click, and go all the way down here to refactor, and the first one is rename. And we're going to call it AutoPath. Yay! And make sure this little box is checked, because that'll change everywhere this thing is referenced. I don't even know if that project title actually gets referenced anyway. Anyway, it's called AutoPath, and we're going to go OK, and we'll do all the stuff. And it'll close it up again, which is kind of annoying, but we're going to open it up again, and it'll show us all our stuff. So the main files of our mod are in this one, right here, src main java. And this contains all of our important method. This one here contains things like textures and other resources. So there's a couple things we gotta change. The first one is this class. So this is where this thing, example mod, shows up. And actually we're going to change com.examplemod. That's not the name of our mod. So we're going to refactor. Where is my refactor button? Refactor, down here. And we're going to rename it, and we're going to call it... Okay, naming convention, apparently, for mods, is to do com.modname, make sure it's lowercase, AutoPath dot... what is it? I think I'm doing this wrong. No, com.T.S.White, because that's my name. And then we're going to call it AutoPath. And we're going to make sure we reference the updates. And yep, there we go. And that'll give us a new thing. And see, now it renames the package and all of that. And then we're going to go in here and we're going to rename the example mod. Refactor, rename. And this one is caps, no spaces. AutoPath. Yay! Okay, there we go. So now we're going to change some of these things. Okay. This is where the mod gets initialized. And this is all of our mod info. Our mod ID, we're not going to actually change anything on this line, we're going to change these variables. Okay, so the mod ID, you know, this video should have been later. I'm sorry. You can skip it if you want and watch it later. I might even make it later in the playlist, whatever. Anyway, the mod ID, we're going to, again, naming conventions, my initials, TSW, and then the initials of the mod, AP. And it's all going to be lowercase, and this is an ID, and it should be unique to your mod, because apparently it can conflict with other mods. I don't know. I haven't seen it. That's what I've heard. But then I haven't seen it probably because I haven't made it the same as another mod. Anyway, the name of our mod is AutoPath. The version we're doing is 1.0. Goodbye, kitty. Sorry. And yep. And I don't think we need cat. Sorry, there's a cat trying to cuddle with me, and I'm like, I'm in the middle of stuff. You're cute, but I'm in the middle of stuff. And I think honestly, we're just going to get rid of this one here. And there we go. We'll see if this works. So hit save, and we're gonna hit run. Do 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 do. Okay, we're gonna go look at our mods and we're gonna see if anything changed. Hey, look! Now our mod that was called example mod is called AutoPath, and there's no mod information. Yay! And that mod information, we're going to quit that now, and our mod information is actually in main resources and mcmod.info. So we're going to go close that thing, and we're going to go mod info, and we're going to change all of this to be the right thing. So mod ID is again TSWAP, name is AutoPath, and this is going to be make paths while you walk. Oh my god. Anyway, the version of this, I think this is trying to reference something, but I don't really care, so we're going to do 1.0. And the Minecraft version that this is supposed to be is 1.12.2. Yay! And on our list is T.S.White. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna leave this blank because blah 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 blah, and we're all good. When you're editing things, make sure that you don't edit any of the punctuation, because that's the actual code part, not the values part. So the things that you should be changing are all within the quotes, not anything before the quotes and not anything after the quotes, including spaces. Don't edit spaces. Spaces are important. So there we go. We're going to save that, and we're going to hit the play button, and we're going to wait for it again. Oh, and the reason I always check that the changes took is because if you don't, and then you write 100 lines of code, and then you go back and something's not working, you're never sure where in that last 100 lines of code it was. So it's like saving in small chunks. Save early, save often, and make sure it runs often. Also, it's nice to see when you open up Minecraft and your changes took, you go, yay! Oh my gosh, it worked! And it's a rush, and it's fantastic, and we're good. So let's go look. There's our AutoPath mod. And look, see, now it has some info. There we go. And we're all good. So we're going to quit again. And that is all of our setup. We have a mod. It does absolutely nothing, but we have one. So we changed the AutoPath main file. So this is the main file, and I'm kind of using main intentionally because in Java, when you program, your main method is the thing that actually runs the whole thing. And so this is our main class, even though it doesn't say anything about being main. This is the thing that runs when our mod gets loaded. And that's indicated in that little tiny annotation there. And that's that. Hope that was helpful. Bye.